how to add or select automatic response on your eBay. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we talk about how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to open your eBay like this. After this you have to come here to this three line. Now you have to go to your settings, and on your settings you have to go to your time away and go to automatic response. And right now, for example, I will just do this. I will choose start date or end date if I want, just, and then I will click apply. And as you see, I have to select the date, for example this and this. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.